It was day one when I learned what that type of technology can do for us, and it was a game changer when you've done things the hard way for so long and you finally have all the capabilities right in your hand. Well, that was a priceless feeling, just knowing what you're capable of. My name is Jason Graham. I own a commercial excavating company. We opened up our doors in 2016. We came from the bottom of the bottom. The strings and tape measures and paint cans and as basic and as rudimentary as you can imagine. Every week, you'd have to have surveyors on site, laying out new parts of the job. It was a nightmare. We couldn't do a project necessarily in a timely manner, the old school way, so to speak. But now with the new technology, we've, in some cases, have cut our time by 75% on a project. You know, especially really complex three-dimensional sites that you can't just do with a laser or you can't do with a string or pins. Time is money. Just to be able to put a curve in a road, you would have to have that curve laid out by a surveyor. And this, with the LN150, you can see where the edge of your blade is. Right on the screen, you can follow the edge of the road right where you need to. And it's a matter of minutes compared to a matter of hours or even days with traditional methods. With our line of work, we need the accuracy. There's no doubt in my mind how accurate that LN150 can be. It's allowed us to be able to double check and triple check and be able to go back to a general contractor and say, this is what the project looks like in real time. And that way we're not using excess stone, that way we're putting in the right amount of stone. You know, when we're building roads or parking lots, that's a big deal when you're talking about, you know, $30, $40 a ton worth of stone. A ton doesn't go very far on a job site anymore. You know at the end of the day what this is going to look like no matter what. We needed that pinpoint 1/8 inch accuracy every time, no questions asked. And we can prove it just by pulling something up on a tablet screen or a computer screen. I think we're on an upward curve of technology is the new way to go. It takes our little 4 or 5 man crew and you can compete on a much larger scale just because you have double the efficiency because we were able to do 2 projects at once and run a project with one guy instead of multiple people. That's how it's helped us out.